Guys, okay, I continue with my drawing. Then I just go here, then I go here, then this part, then this part, then this part, then this part, and then this part, and then I just then this part. And then I'll just draw back this part, and then okay, yeah. And then I'll just draw here. Then I just no. So right over here because I got this, and then I just so like that, and then wait, I think this needs to be more. And then just get I get here. Then what? I think I'm done drawing, guys. Look. Look at this. So, where'd it go?